In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets for beginners on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. BOSTO 12 HD, a H-IPS LCD tablet. The BOSTO 12 HD, a H-IPS LCD graphics drawing tablet monitor is an advanced device designed to cater to digital artists and professionals seeking precision and quality in their work. Here's a detailed look at its features and how it fits in with your interest in various tech gadgets and tools. The tablet features an 11.6-inch display, providing ample space for detailed work. With a 1366 by 768 display resolution, it offers clear and sharp visuals, ensuring that every stroke is rendered with precision. The H-IPS, horizontal in-plane switching, LCD panel provides better color accuracy and wider viewing angles compared to standard IPS panels. The tablet supports 8,192 pressure levels, allowing for nuanced control over brush strokes and line thickness, essential for detailed digital art and design work. The BOSTO 12 HD, a is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, making it versatile and suitable for a wide range of users. Number 2. XPPen Artist Pro Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro Drawing Tablet is a sophisticated tool designed for digital artists, graphic designers, and animators who seek precision and functionality in their creative work. This drawing tablet features a 15.6-inch Full HD display, which provides a large and clear workspace for detailed illustrations and animations. High-resolution display. The 15.6-inch Full HD 1920 by 1080 screen ensures crisp and vibrant visuals, which is essential for detailed artwork and accurate color representation. 60 degrees of tilt function. The tilt function supports natural and fluid drawing motions, mimicking the experience of traditional sketching and shading techniques. Responsive stylus. The included stylus offers high sensitivity and accuracy, allowing for precise control over brush strokes and lines. It is also battery-free, reducing interruptions in workflow. Customizable shortcuts. The tablet includes customizable buttons and a red dial, providing quick access to frequently used functions and enhancing productivity. Compatibility. The XPPen Artist 15.6 Pro is compatible with a variety of operating systems and popular design software, ensuring seamless integration into existing workflows. Number 3. XPPen Artist Graphic Tablet. The XPPen Artist Graphic Tablet, specifically the XPPen Artist 12 2nd Gen 12-inch graphic tablet monitor, is a high-quality tool designed for digital artists who work across various platforms including Android, Windows, and Mac. This tablet offers an array of features that make it an excellent choice for professionals and hobbyists alike, particularly those who may also have an interest in advanced digital measuring tools and high-efficiency chargers, given the user's previous interests. 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity. The XPPen Artist 12 2nd Gen offers 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precise and nuanced control over brush strokes and drawing intensity, which is crucial for detailed artwork. 60 degrees tilt functionality. The 60-degree tilt functionality allows the stylus to detect and respond to the angle at which it is held, mimicking the behavior of traditional art tools and providing a more natural drawing experience. X3 Stylus Technology. Equipped with the X3 stylus, this tablet ensures smooth and responsive drawing without lag, enhancing the overall user experience. 12-inch display. The 12-inch screen size strikes a balance between providing ample workspace for creating detailed art and maintaining a compact, portable form factor. Multi-platform compatibility. Compatibility with Android, Windows, and Mac systems allows users to integrate the tablet into their existing workflows seamlessly, whether they are working on a desktop setup or on the go with a mobile device. Number 4. XENCELABS Professional Graphic Tablet. The XENCELABS Professional Graphic Tablet is a high-performance tool designed for designers and digital artists, offering compatibility with both Windows and Mac OS operating systems. This drawing tablet is equipped with a digital pen, ensuring precision and control for detailed artwork and design projects. Given your interest in high-quality tech products such as safety helmets, advanced measuring tools like the H-IPS for waterproof digital calipers, and powerful chargers for various devices, the XENCELABS professional graphic tablet complements your tech-savvy profile. Its professional-grade features make it an excellent addition for those who require reliable and efficient tools for creative work, similar to how you prioritize cutting-edge technology for other applications. With the emphasis on precision and performance in your other interests, such as the 140W and 268W GAN chargers, the XENCELABS professional graphic tablet aligns well with your preference for top-tier, innovative solutions that enhance productivity and ensure superior results in your projects. Number 5. XPPen Artist Graphic Tablet. The XPPen Artist Graphic Tablet, particularly the XPPen Artist 12/16 Gen Little Prince Graphic Tablet Monitor, is a specialized tool designed for artists and graphic designers. This series offers advanced features, making it suitable for a range of creative applications, and fits well into the context of high-tech devices and precision tools like digital calipers and GAN chargers that the user is interested in. Display. The XPPen Artist 12/16 Gen models feature a high-resolution display that provides vivid colors and sharp details, enhancing the digital drawing experience. Stylus. The X3 stylus included with these tablets supports up to 60 degrees of tilt, allowing for natural and precise drawing movements. This stylus is designed to respond accurately to pressure, providing a realistic drawing feel. Compatibility. These graphic tablets are compatible with multiple operating systems, including Android, Windows, and Mac. This versatility ensures that users can integrate the tablet seamlessly with their existing workflow, regardless of their preferred platform. Design and build. Their Little Prince theme adds a unique aesthetic to the tablet, appealing to users who appreciate a blend of functionality and style.